Before I completely garage the first gen and get it ready for the engine swap, I decided to pack it up and get it on the back of the Tundra and haul it down to Ocean Shores for a weekend of camping and just playing on the beach. Ocean Shores is known for our resident deer. They are everywhere and they're super tame. I'm nice. Where are we going? Cruising?
Cruise the beach.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. Dude, you got. Hey, where's your camera, Drew? Hey, where's your phone?
I was so excited to get on the beach. I was trying to beat the sunset. I had maybe 10 minutes. Then I got caught up playing after that. Then I forgot that I was supposed to put gas in it after the sunset and then come back to the beach. But I forgot. So I am stuck waiting for AAA. I had the best time taking the first gen out on the sand, And yes, I did eventually get rescued, made it back to camp, and spent the rest of the night around the campfire with some of my most favorite people in the world.